This morning, I want to tell you a message that is a potential crisis for all immigrants. Came to this country 1984. This is a great country for you to make a new life and prosper. Get educated like I did. I knew right away when I got here to not take this country for granted. So what do? First, I got my green card, and immediately, as soon as I had it for 5 years, and that was the requirement, I became a citizen. As a citizen, I was able to vote. I was able to vote as a black man for a black president twice. And I voted for a female to be president. That's a powerful right. Now, I speak to all immigrants who have been here and not take the time to think about what it means to be a citizen of this country. I know many immigrants who I talk to have this idea that if you become an American citizen, you're turning your back on your home country. Well, I'm here to tell you that, especially if you've been here for over 5 years, you're now assimilating in this country. You should have a voice in this country. You have the right to give up that citizenship and go back to your home country whenever you feel like. But for you to be staying here in this country, not able to vote, not having the benefits of citizenship, for you to turn your back on that with the idea that if you were to become a citizen, somehow you're turning your back on your home country. That is false. Where you were born, you're always a citizen there. It's your home country. You carry that inside your heart, and when you're ready to go live there, you go back, give up your American citizenship. But while you're here, be a citizen here. Now, I was on a plane yesterday, coming from Jamaica. Sat next to someone heartbroken. He went to Jamaica for a funeral. His brother, 42 years old, lived in this country pretty much all his life. He has 4 kids. He had some misdemeanors, he told me, a few issues with the law, got deported. Now, he's from a military family with a green card. Brothers in the military family. He got deported to Jamaica. Within 2 years, he was shot and killed. He went back to Jamaica trying to re-assimilate himself. Wasn't prepared for that. What's the problem with that? Not only did he lose his life, but now he has 4 kids, fatherless, in the United States. Thank God those kids are citizens. Even his kids would be eligible for citizenship in Jamaica because their parents are Jamaican. So, for everyone out there right now, you're in this country, regardless of which country you're from, you need to get your citizenship right away. It's smart. You want to start a business, you want to get a loan. There's so many rights afforded you as a citizen. You give up on those rights sitting in this country with this idea that, oh, I don't need to be a citizen. You're wrong. Donald Trump is going to show that to you. You're going to find yourself kicked out of this country, accused of whatever. I don't even think you're going to get due process. You need to wake up, become a citizen today. Go file for your citizenship. Get your citizenship. Have the right to be in this country and participate. And if you want to go back home to your home country, you give it up when that time is right. Otherwise, you're going to be kicked out. And as much as I would feel bad for you, I feel worse for your children who won't have their parents here in this country and who may, like this other guy, go back to a home country trying to make it. Next thing you know, you don't know your way around, you get into to wrong things, and you end up dying. Go get your citizenship. I did that, one of the smart decisions I made, and today I'm highly successful. I am a citizen of all the full rights. It's beautiful when I go overseas and I come back in and I'm treated with the full rights of a citizen. You got to listen. This is the important message for you.